When assessing overall value, the FCA expects firms to perform a value assessment. An initial value assessment must be carried out for new and existing products and services, together with any significant adaptation to a product or service. This involves the following considerations. Does the product or service include the benefits that may reasonably be expected, and are these benefits of the right quality? Are there any limitations within the product or service? Is the total price that customers will pay reasonable, taking into account all applicable charges, fees, over the lifetime of the product or service? Are there any characteristics of vulnerability in the target market that may have an impact on whether the product provides fair value? These value assessments are important, as the FCA has stated it will consider these points when it looks at a firm's products.